Okay, so I know a lot of you guys are probably going to complain about this right off the bat, but don't. HCR 13 MOV is an extremely stainless steel, so you can already see this is a little bit better, like the pivot around the pivot area, the back of the tang. So, take an old toothbrush. I filled up with some soapy water here. It's not gonna ruin your knife. Just take the old toothbrush, scrub out all the dirt and grime. Okay. This is gonna get all the old grease off, all the dirt off. It's gonna get everything off of the knife so we have a clean surface to work with. And yes, we're gonna re-lube this at the very end. But take your old toothbrush, clean your knife. This is actually like really good for it, okay? So we're gonna rinse this off here. This is my kitchen sink, so I just filled it up with soapy dish soap. Done.